Hi, this is my PoE Part 2 code walkthrough for QuickChat. I'll explain how the 6 classes work together to connect Part 1 login to Part 2 messaging. Main Java, this is main Java. Main Java is the entry point. It controls the whole flow, which show the registration, my login, and then it will go to my QuickChat. So from here, first it creates one login object and one scanner. We use the same login instance, so registration and login share data. Then from line 10 to 19, it handles registration. It asks the whole first name, last name, username, then calls login, the login.register user. Lines 22 to 27 handles the login. It calls the login.login user. And then this is my if statement. This if statement is the QuickChat. The last is to the QuickChat. QuickChat only runs if this returns true. This is how part 1 gates part 2. If login falls, it prints cannot access QuickChat and stops. Then my login Java. This is my login Java. Login Java handles all part 1 logic. It stores username, password, first name, last name, and a logged in boolean. There is a register user. It takes 4 parameters. It calls check username to verify the username and has an underscore and 5 or fewer characters before it. It calls check password complexity to check for 8 plus characters, a capital letter, a number, and a special character. Login user compares the input to stored values. If they match, it sets logged in equals true and returns the welcome message. Welcome message is logged in. Just returns welcome message is logged in. Just returns that boolean for main Java to check. And this would be my QuickChat and my message Java. My message Java is the data class. Constructor generates a random 10-digit message ID and calls create message hash. The hash uses the first 2-digit IDs, message number, and first/last words. It has validation. Check the recipient cell, ensures that number starts with a plus and has digits. Check message length, ensures 250 characters or less. Status methods set it to sent, stored, or disregarded. As you can see here, my QuickChat has the part 2 menu. Main menu runs as a while loop with 3 options. Send messages asks how many messages, then loops. For each one, it creates a message object, runs both validations, and asks send, disregard, or store. If you pick store, it adds to the messages list. After the loop, it filters for stored status and calls message storage dot save messages to JSON. Message storage writes stored messages to stored messages. It uses FileWriter to manually build JSON with message ID, hash, recipient, message, and status. Escape JSON handles special characters. and this is my message app. This is my message app test. These are the tests that we have done from part 1 all the way up to part 2, and this is it. Thank you for listening.